Start.
This is the H25 Robot Arm. This robot uses two large motors for the main movement of the arm and one medium motor for gripping objects. It uses a color sensor to determine the distance when an object is picked up, and it uses a touch sensor to reset the timings and triggers it to pick up the objects. Let's give it a test. Now for the functioning. It will test itself once automatically. A question mark appears indicating us to point out the side to which the object is placed. Let's keep two objects on both sides. Now let's pick up the object on its right first. You could try the same with the left.